Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and new tutorial. How to set up Adsterra on Blogger sites. In this video, I'm going to show you how to monetize Blogger or Blogspot with Adsterra, and how to add Adsterra ads in Blogger or website. In this video, you'll know about how to set up Adsterra ads on Blogger sites. Adsterra is the best ads network for bloggers. Let's get start the video. Go to browser, and type Adsterra. And click on Adsterra Advertising Network. If you are new to this site, click on Sign Up. Between as an advertiser, as a publisher, and as an affiliate, select as a publisher and get started. In this page type your name and your email and then go continue. Type a login name and password. For completing your profile at your one of these media, Skype, Telegram, Facebook, WhatsApp, or WeChat, I'm going to add my WhatsApp. Add a payment for you. Here you have PayPal, WebMoney, Paxum, Wire Transfer, Bitcoin and Tether. I'm going to choose PayPal for my payment. Then here add your WhatsApp number and your PayPal account email. Here add your Blogger link, go copy your URL and paste it here. Almost your account is created. Go open your email address and confirm your email. Your Adsterra account is completely created. It's payment accounts. From here you can check all the payments method, minimum payout amount, currency and fee of the payout. And it's the statistics page. Let's add and setting up our blog to Adsterra. From the control panel on the left, choose the websites tab. Click the green button Add New Website. A new window will open. Here you need to fill out the fields and choose the ad format. Here add your website URL. Choose your website category from the list, choose Other if you don't see suitable categories. Pick one ad unit, each ad code is unique, so, I am going to add ads on my blog banner, I pick up 720x90 pickle. See what filters you can tick to remove the unwanted types of ads. Click the Add green button. You'll see a notification that your website is waiting for approval, pending status. Approved sites are green colored, wait until pending status changes to approved, for that you can refresh or reload your page. After your website status changes to approved, click All Codes. Get code. Here it is. A piece of code and a short instruction on where to put it. Copy the code to the clipboard. Follow me step by steps for putting ads link on your Blogspot website. Go log into your Blogger. After you log in, on your left-hand menu, find and hit the Layout tab. Then, on header add 720x90px. Click the Add a Gadget section and choose HTML/JavaScript from the list. Paste the code you generated at Adsterra into the content field and click Save.